Assalamu alaikum hambadin jiberal mu min jibe kan jang Star TV alla programme lecci warwe wala mi yalonko alla hado ko bunda programme drong comme ka kale nyama drong ni nyin dimaso seta drong ngasi jang ne moli kacha ku mi yalonko aketa nyato tati e Gambia kono ndun nin ko jibe mbe min jibe la wol kono wala nyato talti fan ando naketa fanan hello dol bijele bidung mbe min jibe la wala nanata insurance la karola ninko insurance dung amanke ku kutati bare mbe min jibe la follow wolom ninko insurance mun insurance sifa lebenu njang wo kola nsina jibe fanan sainteng Gambia banko kan e mun luwal le dundi ka jeko fana ni nata insurance wala karola ebe mun insurance sifa le dundi la andu muni atine yewol dundi mbe wo fana jibe la fo aketa kumi ya lonko Gambia le ya dati fo Gambia ma dati mbe wo fana jibe la bare wo ko la fana mba jibe la mi ya lonko wala ngatan kolti na keta ngatan ko bijele munem ngatan kolti bare fana na keta fana nafal bijele fana mba jibe la fana munem nafalti andi mbota je fana mba jibe la min ya lonko wolem na keta kuma bijele pour nga jeko bayri nying insurance ni nga fo dong abetala minul ya wolo mi ya lonko wolo moto tiolti woto nimbo mbotaje fanam ba jibela naketa kuma bijele mi ya lonko fanan nimmimbe diamo la bayri ay londo soto jele lafta kuma le fola mi ya lonko wolo moto tiolti mbe wol fanan la moy la bare jandi mbe dunna kacha kon drong nga bula follow ay kontondiro ke kontondiro ko la nga nyininka mune mala do kuoti andungo ko lanse dun kacha kono assalamu alaikum kebama
wa alaikum salam yetodo kawsu baraka bake pour kada jang pour nga kachani insurance lo kola mteto mu Molifa Sanelti, Secretary General and CEO of the Insurance Association of the Gambia Secretariat. Comme contente bake pour kana jang pour nalsi kacha andin mol financial lamoy ni hakilola commune na do ko fannabe dame comme yafu nyame follow sal be konton san kutola ndunta 2020 kono ni bismillahir rahmanir rahim fonsi funta kono ning alhamdulillah rabbil alamin sima ba jakena ni haviri mba kon anin ko jama ko insurance company le comme yafu nyame insurance fanna siatale yafu nyame bo na bi kacha meyal sijan wolem ngamale kibarol moy pour kana ko senandi banku du molma comme mobe sa understand o kibaro muneti follow ku fulala bot bi ntla kaya ntla kacha avec tara fanna men wala anka me new insurance certificate wala we call it standardized motor insurance certificate bo fornado wala automatic issuance of brand card but mo ani modo be kacha la menna fanna moti ndela fanna dame bi wala prunale what we call standardized motor insurance certificate nalbo kachala o muneti comme insurance certificate olam momo ne insurance ota company to ka insurance certificate dire lal bari nataje comme ko nina board members pour narasi ka jube ka one unique or standardized certificate bondi me alon ka be kala unique leti pour company base a use the only difference be kala comme ko la logo tem insurance onyin certificate onyin niaje nga bondi nun to la o sanwola insurance certificate ka dile bari company ka certificate dile anila logo bot certificate ko men ka treje e be mu clineti bar nata ye komen ko nata kola ko sura ko kono mini wala munti mo dol ka insurance dol deda e fayi ka di clianola adu insurance don contrat kolem the moment ya di mola abuko contrat ko benati me sama nin kuna ko da asdan waran kudo as long as ila insurance document lam o company is liable is responsible so kamala ko kula ko bay anin ka standardized motor insurance certificate bondi butu nina bon bena d'accord ka jube of course with na regulators because insurance company Gambia jang anin banku dol ibuko operate without regulator Gambia jan to la regulator de adi central bank na molbe jelto mbe kuku kala ni wolle ka si nge bonda kalama ye silo dina ngake sako me ya lonko ninga keda abe kiliano le mala abe batandila abe torala mto buka wokeno tanko ni central bank ye mansilo dina yafo alake bari nyindo niaje mbakela kodo ba kunatola dafa gebe ko gende senala molbe male kiliano la kodi joteuta mbake kanyine kama kumenko ka make so kayto be dila client isalon ko kayto yele kule dila melen ko wala correcta adun wol nyanta dila fana nduyata company mento company fana central bank ye lansino dialal e silo diala pri insurance company yele jang ay do ko ke so ñin certificate o 100% is borne by insurance companies. Certificate on paper system, but are different from the current certificate we are using. Nin certificate on ni momo ya ta follow is well standard and is well designed. Adum flanyam fanang is well securitized. Ninko securitized means it has so many security features. Mi ya lonko ni yata company to bisalon ko nyinen certificate me yanko anyanta use lale because felle ba kono me yalon ko nimmodo do certificate do de da kara dandan la abe kolal at kolala pour ngalo ningo certificate ta the difference so comme nga fa nyamen ka fole fake certificate ngamen ka din company some scrupulous mo le me yanko sa to kono e ka senso di molla me yalon ko ani loi manta mi alon ko ani insurance company certificate manta so kabri ngodol bondi central bank buta kalamale and even the police buta kalamale adu even bank dolu to come introducing abi bank dolu kan to have a standardized certificate mi alon ko is well designed and is standard so that you know sadi clear no la itol sidaha ntol sidaha adu nyim fanan asi company makoy asi banko fanan makoy because nyagi be estimated to number of vehicles men apply, you know, on the road. Nga estimate let's say about 75,000 men si insurance ota o me ko number of vehicles. Bonira jube ni molbe sate ko no ko insurance do di. Ita ba fala he moto be sare banko kan. Bonina jibe o moto base insurance soto. But moto jelle correct insurance fan soto because nimme correct insurance soto. Yes, insurance company ko le primo nyin soto no. Adum fana insurance company fana yo premium sur e kole fana tax joto government bar kodo me alon ka manna ni insurance bulola molle ka de faye sato kono fine moto isa ja bala insurance lem asata insurance correct dinde o façon wa kana mun sama ni as daw nyin keta ibalo nyaadi because momo insurance nyinta momo le moto insurance nyinta ika file stole. You fill a proposal form and they create a file for you. Samani claim money na oni as down keta. Yalo fwe borrow insurance company kona moto as down total. The first thing mengi bela wole bela file o create le. File o file open. So ninga tra mo insurance tuta karatan down la. Akadi clear no la. Ay kodo di o manu clear no nyina. Sorry, clear kodo di atela. Ate menka certificate yin prepare. Samani claim monad na ke. Ite memu moto tiote adu insurance be bulu. Ya jabala insurance company la kayto nyende. Itata wala office. Hulela system o kono jibe is not in record. And the certificate jibe fanang ya je komenko da move some different because tomorrow to come and prepare will be quite different from or a bit different from the actual company ye mena certificate dealer. So near check system o kono maje and it's not there. It's not in their system, it's not in their books. Imam fenge say claim on you kana promote someone and sinyo tesi. Esa fo baranga insurance jo but where's your receipt? Because in insurance jo this is an advice to everybody. Momo insurance you should expect that company to give a receipt, an authentic receipt for that matter. Samani claim money not na do. Nino hariso for nata. That is a clear evidence one. And also haneni receipt manna. But if you come with your details, the vehicle number, the type of vehicle, yata watu mena, as in the system, the yeba noko you've paid. Bandi men ka briefcase office will take a yaite e ka insurance di mola. That is very risky. So kamala to avoid that. Abi insurance company makulele, abi cliano makulele, and even the government, because ning assume ko we have hundreds of vehicles or thousands of vehicles flying. Bonira gibe wol kono nin 100% le maybe 75 like insurance jo to the insurance company. The other 25 will ka jo to other people. Me alon ko they are no insurance companies. Sama will mengo 25% ojo. Walla kodo are they paying tax to the government? No, and they are no insurance companies, and they are not licensed insurance companies. So sama ni promo nat na kilano si bata insurance company will talk here and then so forth. So to avoid that, ko be bondije one insurance company for them basita, you could look to minimize this that's the word I may use, to minimize it, because to eradicate some of these things, but to minimize it, we decided to design a certificate. We call it standardized motor insurance certificate. Now it's well securitized. We'll prepare. I can even give you an example. I can show you the sample of the certificate. The certificate will look like this. The new standardized certificate, it will look like this. If you look at it, there is no white margin on the certificate. Other insurance certificate near GB, it has white margin. And this, to prove me wrong, near somebody have photocopy, it cannot have white margin again. If you photocopy this again, you cannot have white margin. The other certificate we are using, the current one near photocopy, though, there are some white margins. And most companies, the current certificate they are using is A4 size, ordinary paper, A4 size. The only difference will be the contents inside Metrage. But this current standardized one, it has some features. You look at this logo, this is called Insurance Association of the Gambia, this IAG, this is the logo. This logo, hologram to be here, but this will be in a silver form now. But this actual logo, you cannot see it until and unless you use the ultraviolet torchlight. That one is with me here. So we're going to supply all our offices with that light, so that if there is any issue, you see. So if you can hold, I can just demonstrate so that you see what I'm trying to explain. So this is the we call it UV torchlight. UV torch. So I can just demonstrate it on this, for example. You see, this is the torchlight. You put this on, so you see how this certificate, it will have what we call this as a security feature. And again, we're going to have what we call serial numbers. It will have 2 serial numbers. One will be visible, and the other one will be visible by using this light. So what I'm giving you, demonstrating, this is the sample of the certificate. The actual certificate we are expecting next week from UK, so that it will be standardized. So, but look at the sample. I think you can see this is the serial number. You can see it's visible. I'm giving an example. This is the serial number, this. Now if you use this, you see another one. Did you see? This number, this. Yeah. Did you see?
Yes, there is another number.
Yes, look at whether there is any difference. It's the same 00, blah, blah, and so forth, 74. But without this, now you can only see this visible. So like this certificate also, when it comes, hold it for me. When you come, this certificate, this logo you are seeing now, you can see it clearly now. But this certificate, this logo will not be seen unless you use this certificate. It's called, so people can see this, and then if you put this here also, you can get comfortable. Without this, you see one serial number. But to prove us wrong again and to verify near Ketendon, then you see another serial number. Katenko, this is the authentic certificate. This will help the government, it will help the insurance, and it's going to increase the premium part of it. Because right now, if we are receiving, let's say, $10 million, but with this now, it can increase the premium. And when the premium increase also, the insurance company, we have also, we need to contribute our quota towards the development of the country. But Manukoka may don't data kutola tetal. If you don't have much money, hanada hamobela to support your own country, abuka keno because of kodo. Because Niajibe, so many premiums are going outside the industry, or so many premiums are going into the into pockets. So with this certificate now, all companies, insurance companies in the Gambia, when we have this, have ordered about 100,000 certificates. Mialonko from now onwards. They will all buy from here and then start giving to customers. Authentic. So, Mbemol advise la, whoever is buying insurance, you make sure you get this kind of insurance. All insurance companies in the Gambia, they will start using this effective January. so that every company will do this. If you have another insurance certificate different from this, definitely mean you don't have insurance. You must have a standardized. What company A will give you is the same company B will give you also, and it's going to be the same texture. The only difference, like I said, if you go to company Y, for example, I can mention if you want to go to, like you go to Prime will give you this type of certificate. The only difference, you saw this is Prime. Well, you get Prime la logo tariane. You go to Gambia National Insurance, the same paper, the same like this, but only different, you'll see Gambia National Insurance as their logo. You go to Royal, you go to Gamstar, any other insurance company, they all have this thing, but the only difference will be their logos. So people understand. This is why we're going to deal with the police, and then even the police, we're going to supply them with this. Because
iko hani na kita mi yalon ko wolom nyin kayto dita aka munta ko nana ta tanko la karola la fare be jile bari wo la faro amanke ate fen la fala mi yalon ko wolom mimbe insurance jola je kuma yata pour nga je ko
no, that's a very important point. In fact, I was going to make emphasis on that point. This, it has no cost attack to reach on customers. Customers who bina insurance jola ibesa alonko nintonga introduce amanje komengo to be fenne jola, it has nothing to do with them. It will enough and affirmment will company me alonko tarege insurance will be endiliza or company le responsibility, because with or without this standardization it can certificate the customer solal adun customer so buka fenjo or certificate, but company men ka dila certificate can mean that mole ka print it and they pay those people. So the cost is borne by insurance companies, not customers. I think that point needs to be cleared. The cost of the certificate is borne by the insurance companies and not customers. Very clear.
Ninga jibe mi ya lonko wala ye min foteng aka muntako hani tapale nin nakar do mi ya lonko wala ka kenun mol se si yilla ko insurance be mbulu ya rafan kayto damale ba bulu wala buko damma bare bo manke insurance ti tumando bato nin nyin loi nin kayto tata nyama comme ya fo nyamin ase ku jamale talano wala karola ani nin wo talata aka muntako fanko la karola abe fana mi ya lonko wolom Gambia banko nin nata mi ya lonko wolom namu jola karola ka fanko soto abe je fana la fala la bayri modole ka wo tajeriya kenu mol ya mira ko nyimmo insurance oleti yala fang buku ken songole babulu janding wo mobe lonna ku yeke ta insurance company mi ya lonko ay wol buko le bala ay mira ko wol ya insurance yala fang hani filo ama soto ji bare sente nin nyinketa ilafta mun kumale fola mi ya lonko wolom moto tiolti bayri fana jama wolle kata ka jorol ke isa fayko ni tata dola kari tili killing is insurance soto bare niya di agent kari wati dantan drong as insurance of finti dinka wo moyle bare ntol ni mo lebe do ko wala sante ngi lafta mun kumale fola wo mo sifal.
Okay, Mr. Baji, thank you very much. Ela nyinin karo is very key and akumata bakel. You see, hata manke nyin standardized, hana manke nyin certificate. Signum for mobe from fair ko moto insurance or insurance for that matter, whether motor or fire or burglary or any class of insurance. Momo kata is a mix of one. This is why every insurance company nimbe operate la, you must go through the channels. That is, you must go through central bank license issue to all insurance company. There is no insurance company member operate can gang license to member. You cannot. Because you must go through your regulators, that is central bank. Nita central bank will be licensed dilela, kasilo de la ko now you can operate after fulfilling all the requirements. Ni bota to say near if you are fully pledged license, you can operate now. But si ben ko ni mo ma sign, come with or without this, ni moto lem ba mbi moto ka kande ni insurance jo. The first thing you can't mix all the insurance in the jo registry is very key. Because insurance is a contract. Insurance is a contract between you and the insurance company, between the client, the customer, and the insurance company. Nimmo sabangen duntaji wole ning as down keta. Inkafule third party now. Third party in the contract. But initially the contract is between the insurance company and the customer. But most me offer ham tapale siata. Agent will siata. Mo façon be siata. But mo insurance yo ni ngati fon tita no ibe mo le kila make so aita insurance company me alon ko they are licensed by the authority, that is the regulator, central bank. Adunita insurance company to ala process jam for the nata lecture then we can talk. But to summarize things, nitata all the things that is you want to insure your car, yes. Comprehensive lem, third party lem, not a comprehensive lem, they will know what to do. Not a third party lem, the same thing. But you fill the form with them, you fill form when you fill, they tell you what ibe menjola. Near for menjola, for example, private car lem, they say 750. Yes, 750 Joe. They will give you a receipt. Near receipt dealer, they will give you a certificate. Coming to give a certificate. I can show you other old certificates if the new certificate coming. You know, this is prime. You see what I was explaining. The certificate text is going to be the same. The only difference, if you look at here, you see the logo of prime. Then you come here, you see the same text. But what is different? You see, this is RI, that is Royal Insurance Company. And then you come again, you see, it's the same text. This is New Vision Insurance Company. Then you come again, you see the same text. It's the same text, but the difference is the logo, Sunshine Insurance Company. That's how it goes. Then this is IGI Gamstar. So, you see, and then you have, this one is Takaful. But it's the same insurance, it's Takaful. And then you have Global. You see, so that, I'm just to demonstrate, this is going to be the new certificate. So you must have this certificate. Otherwise, tomorrow there is a claim, problem kana gelto so this is why we are advising everybody move in Sonsala so you one this will give you a receipt and you should wait for your certificate as well and make sure you have the certificate can be introducing authentic. The reason why, if you look at this, when you want to start this white margin you don't want to see, so this is why I try until we came to a conclusion that there is no white margin on insurance now. So if you photocopy the sample I gave you, the first sample, near photocopy, there must be some white margin, meaning it's not an authentic. And if you use the UV touch also, you don't see this logo, IG logo inside, it's not correct. If you don't see two serial numbers near put on, you'll see another one, it's not visible. If by using this, you can see the other serial number. So, and this will also, if we have correct certificate, then we can start supporting, we can do our part and then support our country. This is our country. We need to support the government, you know, to make sure the country is developed, to develop the Gambia. But coming on set, if you want to support your country, but purchasing power is not there, but with the support of everybody, we have this now, we can also do our part. We can contribute, you know, our social corporate, you know, responsibility in Sakeno, so that to develop the country. So we are trying to avoid it, so that. But our advice, like I mentioned, please, whoever is going in for insurance, especially motor, make sure before you leave, you make sure near Kodo Injo, you let register a dealer and you let certificate, authentic certificate. Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, jandimbe bulala bari ngajele ko angale ka foko iko there is no development without challenges nyatuta mimbe kerin drong fo hello ko setalaje animi yalon ko wolom ngatan quality bari generally drong itala jeroto munebe kala mi yalon ko wolom ning insurance ning certificate kutu la mi yalon ko wolom ngatan quality bari ngalonne ko awareness sign bari ku jamale fotaja mi yalon ko tumando bato ibe nukundindu molma wolong bari sign nimmole nyin sojibe ba ko tonya ye mimira nun ani mimbe kering ifatatale bayri nanata tankola karola nyindole wo soto fana nanata mi ya lonko wolon ke fam makoy ke la banko makoy nyindo fana ne asoto bayri ase Kenya wonyama hani nanata pour angale kam foko statistics ka lonko mutol nanga mo mi ya lonko wolle be banko kan abe soni yala sain katambi nunto bayri mi ya lonko wolom agent tol siata dol setanin silola dol set silobula anon min yo silobula molta lon nako wo mutol be gambiere bayri iman safe bare sainteng itela jeroto munebe kala hella quality nanata nying mi ya lonko wolom certificate la Carola.
Okay, abaraka kausu comme ya fo nyami kuoku nidunta kono foye so taro so ye foye hello fana so ye problem so reje. But we'll try and do our best. One from onset tumando to eliminate the unscrupulous, doings abe kolala. But we are doing our best to minimize to at least 90%. That's what we are doing. In addition to this interview, we have what you call radio talk show. We make sure we go to the radio at least for a period of 6 months. Kamul Kachandi in Sansolo Kola. Wokono, by next month we are starting again because every year at least 6 months, every Friday we go to radio on talk show on insurance generally. But this time around, about most part of our conversation or talking are based on this certificate under the automatic issuance of brown card from here bita meya pinafane kacha premium fulo mulsa faham because natajibe the train of accident abe siakang. You see, and then sometimes it perhaps as the end to insurance company because obviously near motor you insuring your car for a purpose. Insurance, we are dealing with promises. Niamo insurance, because whatever we are doing, our service is invisible and is intangible. You cannot see and you cannot touch it. Also, we deal with service. One insurance is very technical. It's our product. You cannot see it. You cannot touch it. We are dealing with promise. Do this in the event of that. We also do this. That's our job. You insure your car. Take a fire policy. In the event of fire, we cannot say if you take fire insurance, there will be no fire. No. If any insurance personnel go for you, if you insure your house, there will be no fire. No. But insure your house in the event there is fire, we also come in. That we can indemnify. What we call indemnify, because it depends on the class of insurance. Before the incident, even on damage, we try and bring you back to that position. That's what we call indemnify. If it is death, we compensate. You cannot pay life. If it is perhaps motor car insurance accident, among a total loss, we make a replacement or we do certain things. But it depends on the nature and the type of policy mentor. But with regards to this motor, that is it. We make so you have your authentic insurance, and then so that we can have no more issue when there is a claim. Of course, there is any claim we tell people what they're supposed to do. Insurance is very flexible, and we are also, we have our principles. We call it one principle is utmost good faith. Nina tentia to insurance ota nyanta fulele munum insurance ote. Ite fanena me te menna ka insurance injo membe kono ila kuol enata me insurance nyanta kafu manyanka fe mabom. Obviously, we call that utmost good faith. So kana nyofa kana so far. This is why we are very flexible. If you come, we tell you what you're supposed to do. This near insurance injo we ngamba phone even at the back of your insurance certificate. Report all accidents immediately, either by telephone call, or you go yourself, or you write a letter and then you process, so that you can start, obviously, because any claim, it goes with reporting. If you don't report, we cannot know the claim. You must report. This is why when you are taking insurance, we give you a proposal form. Your proposal form you fill. Because the moral hazard insured and the physical hazard, that is what we are insuring. We need to be straightforward. Right? This is why we go back to the archive and then look at your file. Open the file, know what you've said, so that we can process the claim, because that is the main thing. Insurance company may along claim or failure, we are joking with fire. Because it's the people, you gave them promise. Of course, and funding siloita. Certificate, so that more certificate with any insurance company licensed by the Central Bank of the Gambia. If there is claim now, you come to the office, that particular office, there must be records. Because this is an authentic certificate and it must be in records. So it will be very easy also. We take care of your claim. So maybe advice maybe insurance make sure you go through the right channel, and then you have your right documents. And the right documents start with the receipt and the certificate. The receipt and the certificate. you must do those things and make sure the certificate mendila is authentic, because sama ni tara kartanta wala ye certificate dota même man ken to len certificate sama ni problem ni nata ne lusindu mala ngaje ko men man ken certificate de den problem mo nata sintol tesi your modo tesi asata is your own fault, because we will keep on sensitizing the public what they should do. Nimolo kachalale momo nyanta menkla pila insurance o yeta insurance company to ye ku ke melon ko a correcta pour sama ni hello soto ye problème soto ye as down soto ici les sino hani ma as down manda ni insurance ta kartan down di falon ko deliberately ngata da mon correct ni sama kunata ikana mo be fon le blame la. It's just like ni mole koda insure. You see, Gambians, that's a problem. We have so many fires now, but we are doing our best. We are sensitizing. We are going to the radio as an association, as the industry. And again, in addition to that, most companies are doing their separate advertisement. They are doing their separate sensitization. In addition to the collective sensitization by us, the secretariat. But you find out how many people taking the policy. So, but we will not relent. We will keep on talking to people so that they can digest. Because it's not easy. I feel coming out of Nyame, we can be here till in the evening. Whatever Mbame Folale is a product, but Alta Geno, we are dealing with service that you cannot see and you cannot touch. Promise them. So no promise or nata, we must fulfill it. And but before fulfill it, it must be a genuine one. This is why the door is open. If you have a claim, insurance company major, there is open door. You can go to your lawyer and then take a step. This is why we advise everybody make sure when taking a policy certificate or insurance, make sure you go to the licensed insurance company. Don't go to anywhere other than insurance companies. The bottom line is make sure you go to insurance companies and have your certificate. They give you a receipt and then you have certificate. And the certificate, it must be like this. This is going to be standardized motor insurance certificate, in the Gambia, effective January this month. Yes.
Mr. Sane, jandim be bulala pour ka kudu fanan koindi bayri nka jele ko insurance o aka 12 months later. Sa na keta moyala insurance o jo sometime 2019 mi yalon ko wolom around October November ma fangwala. Fo o insurance ko to wole be tentena fo mi yalon ko wolom October nyin sanjo mi yalon ko be wala ko 2020 fo bayri nyin insurance ko tol natale munne be kala lafta pour fane je ko indi jandim be bulala.
That's good. I don't know where you're getting your questions, but very important questions. Honestly, even when we go to the radio, these are kind of questions, Jamajiba, when you start receiving calls from, listeners. It's a very key question because Jamako Nyininkal, and as long as it's going to be a new thing now, whether it's certificate or automatic issuance, this question is very valid. It's key because Mulka Nyininkal, and I just can Nyininkal for now. Because when you come to insurance, you see insurance, so even one day insurance is start annual. You can take an insurance for 1 day. You can take insurance. It's from 1 day to 12 months. From 1 day to 12 months. You can't take, let's say, insurance for 13 months. No. It must be from 1 day to 12 months. But because yalong kombe introduce la, let's say, effective this month. One kumata. Nimu January. But it is in sota and among expire or among bank abe banna let's say March or April or so 2020 because maybe yata 2019 March or December or whatever yalo mamba say many ata before January if they are in force still need another sign han kunu do in sense dinal it has no problem. What's important need another sign that under mamba yali ba falinal they'll give you this. Ila is so kafoko a bantale or a mambang. So no. The moment in some swing banta, hana banta BB bill. We are in January. Na banta bill. Just that mark must follow, but it will be effective issuance will start at 20th of this month. But right now we've given the room to our people to start continue using their normal certificates. When it starts to use the standard, it will be announced to them. That's why in the radio we said introduce effective January, but issuing that will be 28th. That's the letter we sent to the police at the moment. But it ning abebule santa mamba. When you go to insurance companies, they'll give you the ordinary one. But like your question is, if for example I start a sign, okay, another car renew, they'll give you the new one. They'll give you the new one. Just like the brown card, but brown card from coming ko ning ila insurance so nyim banten sante. Say they are able amamba. It's no need to go there because your own is invalid now. It's valid, sorry. It's in force. So in some sort of ninto nga kumasle nying, but membe te bula mamba follow. There is no need to change it. There is no need. Ni membe bul something come the old one are able a mamba follow. Nto nga nyung kumasi. No need to kaf he kwe instance kuto fembra hani. Iba to foya kota ma membe bo nga banta yeta ya dile ni ba falina ibe kuta mal dile la. Malum for understand. It's a very important question because those time mirako iko kuta mal kumat but ngata adintelembe bana March. We are in January. Wait until March. Ni March ita you go and then you renew. Ibe kuta mal dile la. Then from that date yeta. But tanko ile nyimambang nyuni akumase. Don't worry. Keep your old one until it's expiring date. Likewise, the automatic issuance. You have your current certificate with brown card. Amamba, baf kafu nga kumasle. Nyimamba, doesn't concern you now. But now, when you are going to renew, it will be automatic now. You have your local cover and the brown card certificate or certificate in instance. So this is it. These are the points, and then I definitely they are very important because especially your last one thing. And the contribution of insurance industry to the economy with the support of these certificates, it will help us a lot because we want to support, we want to contribute our quota to the development of the country. But we can only do it when we have the support from the general public. So when the support is there, meaning the insurance company can generate more income. If more income is generating, the support can also come forth. We can also support. Supporting the country, it means you are supporting your own self. People see that you are supporting your own self because you are part of the country and it's you who should be supporting the country. So with the support from general public to have this thing work like we want it, definitely I think we can also play a very important role when it comes to the development of the country. Yeah.
Baraka bake ngaminji anung alla programo to jang wala Mr. Sanyangti Sane Molifa ngamin jibe wolom nanata insurance la karola kujama nga wala diamu bare comme afonga ya fanyamen drong amanjari moli sila aka foko insurance koto mimbe mbulu fo san wo mambang so nying elafta mi ya lonko wolom ka insurance koto dundi ka jikon na wo insurance koto nga fay ako manjari ya fay bayri na keta wo insurance wiccho mi yalon ko wala sa feta je wo mambam folo isa tamandino le foni wo wiccho banta yetani ya faling bare ni ya faling ibe nyin sifale sotola woto mume ya jibe nga jiko nyin keta ku mi yalon ko akuma yata tanko bijele anum fana mi yalon ko fana abem mako la ka jiko fem mi yalon ko wala motol mi yalon ko wala be bari kan nyin gambe banko kan ase masakunda mako itol fana yalon ko moti jamala bijang hani na ndata fang mi ya lonko wolom mana doko anin kudol mi ya lonko nyato talom tol fanan salong bare ninga motol la jiri ko long dong se mi ya lonko wolom moto manan ko nya anu fanan kasilo walang wo fanan be sone yala le woto ala baraka bake fo wati ko ten tolom kawsu baji ala barakal kal jibe jang Star TV fo wati ko ten